heard anyone sing like Kishore Kumar or anyone who acts like Amitabh Bachchan? Yes, there are such talented people. But do you think they get the same respect or the recognition as the original artists do? They will always be called as duplicate or doppelganger. The ultimate mantra to a great talk is not trying to imitate any other person. Your audience should get a fresh feel rather than a repeated version of someone else. Generally, what happens is when we are in school or college, we have some or the other idol and we try to do many things the way they do. And we think we are cool. To some extent, it's okay. Maybe we can learn from their confidence or their body language. But if you try to do that too much, you will lose your uniqueness. We always underestimate our roots, our looks, our accent, our gestures. And सोचते हैं दूसरों की तरह करने से लोग हमें एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. दूसरों की अच्छी बातों को सीखें, जरूर सीखें, बट उनकी तरह बनने की कोशिश ना करें. Whenever you try to imitate others, you put most of your energy in copying others rather than upgrading yourself. Being simple, being yourself acts like magic to connect with your audience. I'll tell you about a student of mine whose name was Rakesh. He is presently working in UK. Joined my school in grade 9th in the middle of the session because his father had to shift his family to Surat urgently from a small town in Uttarakhand due to some family emergency. The day he joined, he was very timid, low in confidence, had a unique accent while he was talking, not very fluent in English. That day we had a competition in our school where everyone had to speak for about 2 minutes on a topic, my dream destination. Everyone gave a brief talk about Dubai, Disneyland, and many more places with a lot of poise and excitement. Obviously, Rakesh was not ready for it. But when I insisted, he hesitantly spoke his heart out. He timidly went up to the stage and started with his voice shaking. But soon he mesmerized all of us. As he started to share the things he loved about his small town in Uttarakhand, which due to some reason he had to leave. He spoke about his real life experiences with such sparkle in his eyes, with so much of conviction that we felt as if we transcended to his village along with him. He seemed so convincing, so true. He connected with the audience instantly. His uniqueness hit the chord of the judges too, and not to our surprise, was chosen second in the competition. A great achievement for him, and unexpected motivation which fueled him the rest of his life. Even today, when we talk sometimes, he doesn't forget to share this incidents. So be yourself. Be who you are and chisel yourself in that way.